Hey guys, it's Jacob from JWR Tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to increase your paging file in Windows 10. You want to start off by opening up the Windows menu, searching up for View System Advanced Settings and opening up the window. And the next thing you should see is System Properties. You want to click Advanced and go to Performance and click Settings. After that you want to click on Advanced again and you want to click Change in Virtual Memory. Next, you want to deselect the automatically manage paging file size for all drives and select the drive which has the most memory. For me, it's the D drive. Next, you want to click custom size, and then here you need to type in how much virtual memory you want. So the general rule is you want to take your RAM size and times it by 3, and that will give you the paging file size. Next, once you have entered the page file size you want to click set and then click OK. Click OK on the pop-up. Click apply and you have to restart your PC. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and also go check out my other content as it will help you out with your Windows. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.